Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 5th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. AI 101 Concept of the Week. What it is: an AI agent is a program that can plan and perform tasks on its own, like remembering steps and using tools. Analogy: think of an AI agent like a personal assistant who doesn't just answer questions, but also books meetings, sends emails, and checks your calendar. You give the agent a goal, like find the cheapest flight to London next Friday. 2. The agent breaks that goal into smaller steps: search flights, compare prices, check your schedule. 3. It executes each step using tools like a web browser or a calendar app and reports back. Real example this week: Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, quietly launched Pocket, an AI app that lets you create mini games just by typing a prompt. That's an AI agent at work. Why you should care: AI agents are the #1 skill in job postings for 2026, and building one is now a standard portfolio project for AI engineer roles. Last week's promise plus AI jobs this week. Last week, we promised how to build your first AI agent in 30 minutes. Here's the short version. You can use a free tool called LangChain Academy at academy.langchain.com, to connect an AI model to a simple task, like searching the web or sending an email. And that's your first agent. Hundreds of viewers built one and added it to their portfolio. AI engineer at Microsoft, $120,000 to $180,000. Skills: Python, Azure AI, AI agents. Machine learning engineer at Amazon, $130,000 to $190,000. Skills: AWS SageMaker, Python, MLOps data scientist AI focus at Google, $110,000 to $170,000. Skills: TensorFlow, SQL, prompt engineering AI product manager at Meta, $140,000 to $200,000. Skills: AI product strategy, user research, technical writing. Hottest role this week: AI engineer. Every major company is hiring for it, and the skill gap is huge. AI agents. Why now? Meta's new Pocket app and Zuckerberg's own admission that agents haven't progressed as quickly as he'd hoped means companies are desperate for people who can make agents work. Learn in 4 weeks. Prompt engineering. Why now? As AI tools get more powerful, the ability to write precise prompts is the #1 differentiator for job candidates. Learn in 2 weeks. Python. Why now? It's the language of every AI job listed this week. Learn in 8 weeks. If you learn one thing this week: AI agents, because every company from Meta to your local startup is racing to build them. Free learning resources this week. LangChain Academy, hacademy.langchain.com. What you'll learn: AI agents, LLM apps, tool use, time, tenors, free. Yes. Why now? Build your first AI agent this week. Directly addresses the hottest skill. Anthropic prompt engineering, http docs.anthropic.com/docs, build with Claude/prompt engineering/overview. What you'll learn: prompt design, system prompts, advanced techniques, time 3 hours, free. Yes. Why now? Prompt engineering is the #2 skill this week, and this is the official guide from Anthropic, makers of Claude. Deeplearning.ai, h/deeplearning.ai. What you'll learn: AI fundamentals, neural networks, Python time, 20 hours, free. Yes, audit option. Why now? Andrew Ng's courses are the gold standard for beginners. Start with AI for everyone. Hugging Face course, huggingface.co/learn. What you'll learn: NLP, transformers, model deployment. Time, 15 hours, free. Yes. Why now? Hugging Face is where the AI community shares models, knowing it is a resume booster. Start here today. LangChain Academy, htacademy.langchain.com, because building an AI agent is the single best portfolio project for 2026. AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT AI chatbot, best for generating text, answering questions, brainstorming. Free tier available. Plus is $20 per month. Claude AI assistant by Anthropic, best for long-form writing, analysis, and coding help. Free tier available. Pro is $20 per month. Google Gemini AI assistant, best for integrating with Google Workspace, Docs, Gmail. Free tier available. Advanced is $20 per month. Midjourney AI image generator, best for creating high-quality images from text prompts, $10 per month. Pocket AI game generator by Meta, best for generating mini games from text prompts. Free experimental, best starting point for a complete beginner, ChatGPT. It's free, works in any browser, and teaches you how to talk to AI. Career action plan. Newshook. Meta quietly launched Pocket, a vibe-coded gaming app. And Mark Zuckerberg told staff AI agents haven't progressed as quickly as he'd hoped. Opportunity. Companies are investing billions in AI agents, but they're not working perfectly yet. That means they need people who can improve them. Your action this week. Build your first AI agent using LangChain Academy free. Follow the Build an Agent tutorial. Free resource, LangChain Academy, academy.langchain.com. Complete this. Build an agent module, 2 hours. Result. Doing this puts you ahead of 90% of candidates for AI engineer roles, because most applicants have never actually built an agent. Next week preview, we'll cover how to deploy your AI agent for free on the cloud. You'll learn to put your portfolio project online so employers can test it. Cloud AI for beginners, compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for using models like GPT-4o and building enterprise apps. Free credits, $200. Start hts/azure.microsoft.com's free AWS Bedrock, best for accessing multiple AI models, etc. in one place. Free tier includes 1 month free for new users. Start aws.amazon.com/bedrock Google Gemini API. Best for beginners who want a simple pay-as-you-go API. Free tier includes $300 in credits for new users. Start aistudio.google.com. Easiest for a complete beginner, Google Gemini API. Sign up at https://aistudio.google.com and you can start sending prompts in 5 minutes without a credit card. Week in brief. Google, the search engine company, ran a commercial imagining the Declaration of Independence written with AI. It shows how mainstream AI has become, which means more non-tech jobs will require AI skills. Midjourney, an AI image company, is asking Hollywood studios to reveal how they use AI. This legal fight matters because it will shape how AI is used in creative industries, a huge job market. Alibaba, a Chinese e-commerce giant, banned employees from using Claude Code, Anthropic's coding assistant. It shows how companies are struggling with AI security, creating demand for AI safety experts. Mistral AI, a French AI startup, is positioning itself as an open-source alternative to OpenAI, knowing multiple AI platforms makes you more hireable. Meta, Facebook's parent, launched Pocket, an AI game generator. It's a sign that vibe coding, making apps by describing them, is becoming a real skill. The one thing to remember this week: building an AI agent is the #1 way to stand out for an AI job in 2026. Start with LangChain Academy today. Conclusion and key takeaways. You just got a full week's worth of AI career strategy in 7 minutes. Most people won't take action, but you will. See you next Sunday. Don't forget, subscribe every Sunday, 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. Next Sunday, how to deploy your AI agent for free on the cloud. We'll put your portfolio project online so employers can test it. Drop your biggest AI question below. I read every comment.